Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. If you are interested in learning speaking Korean, you're in the right place. Here we focus on speaking Korean sentences. Today we picked some lines from a K-drama. Here are the 5 lines of a dialogue. Let me read it first. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 네 탓은 하지 마. Which means, how could you live harder than now? How could you cheer up better? So, blame the world. You may do whatever, curse or cry your eyes out, but don't blame yourself. My goal today is for you to be able to speak these 4 lines in Korean without seeing these Korean characters. So we'll be practicing without speaking, without seeing these lines. That means you have to focus on listening first. You have to listen to it and then you speak it. All right? Here is what we're going to do. I will introduce some new words and then you will be listening to the Korean sentence several times. And then I will explain what it means chunk by chunk, all right? And then I will have you listen to it again several times. Then I will give you a couple of second pause after you hear it. Then you will have a chance to practice speaking it, all right? That's what you're going to do. Here are some words. Again, here you just focus on listening and trying to try to familiarize yourself with the sounds of the Korean words. I'm not asking you to memorize these words, right? Just listen to it. 어떻게. 어떻게 means how. 어떻게. Listen to it again. 어떻게. 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 Next word. 지금, which means now. 지금. 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 All right, next word. 열심히. 열심히, as in study hard. 열심히. Okay, one more time. 열심히. 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 Next word. 살다. 살다, which means to live. 살다. 살다. All right? 살다. 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 Next word. 최선을 다하다. 최선을 다하다. 최선을 다하다. Which means do your best. 최선을 다하다. Listen again. 최선을 다하다. 최선을 다하다. 최선을 다하다. 최선을 다하다. Next word. 기회. 기회 meaning chance. 기회. 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 Next word. 세상. 세상, which means the world. 세상. All right? Listen again. 세상. 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 Next word. 탓하다. 탓하다, which means to blame. 탓하다. But if you do it fast, 탓하다. 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 Listen again. 탓하다. 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 Next word. 욕하다. 욕하다, which means to curse. 욕하다. 욕하다. Listen again. 욕하다. 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 Okay, the last word. 펑펑 울다. 펑펑 울다. 펑펑 is an onomatopoeia for crying out aloud, all right? 펑펑 울다. 펑펑 울다. Listen again. 펑펑 울다. 펑펑 울다. 펑펑 울다. All right, that's enough for vocabulary practice. The first line is, how could you live harder than now? Let's listen to the Korean counterpart. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? One more time. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? Let me analyze it. 어떻게, how? 어떻게, 어떻게, 지금보다, than now. Now is 지금. 지금보다, than now. 지금보다, 지금보다. 더 열심히, harder. 더 열심히, harder. 사냐, live. Okay? 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 means hard, 더 열심히 means harder. 사냐, live. 냐 is a question, right? 살다 is live. 사냐, okay? 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? Could you live? Okay? Listen again. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? One more time. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? One more time. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? One more time. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? Now it's time to practice speaking, right? I'll give you a couple of second pause after you hit and then you say it in Korean, right? Here you go. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? Did you make it? Try again. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? One more time. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? Again. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? Still one more time. 어떻게 지금보다 더 열심히 사냐? Okay, that's enough practice. Next line. How could you cheer up better? Here you go. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? One more time. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? One more time. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? Let me analyze it. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? 어떻게 how? 더 better. 더 파이팅을 해. Could you cheer up? 파이팅을 해. By the way, the word fighting comes from the English word fighting. But it's different when we use the word fighting in the Korean language. When it is borrowed from the English language, the meaning has changed. So fighting, which comes from fighting, now means to cheer up. Alright? So 어떻게 더 파이팅 하냐? How could you cheer up better? 어떻게 더 파이팅 하냐? One more time. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? 파이팅을 하니? 파이팅을 해. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? 해. So you are raising the end of the sentence, which makes it a question sentence, right? 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? One more time. 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 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? Now it's time to practice speaking, alright? I'll give you a couple of second pause after you hear it, alright? Then you speak it. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? One more time. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? One more time. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? One more time. 어떻게 더 파이팅을 해? Alright, that's enough for that. The next line. You did your best, but there was no chance for you. Listen to its Korean counterpart. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. One more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. One more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. Alright, let me analyze it. 최선을 다했는데, 는데 means but, okay? 최선을 다하다 is do your best. excuse me. 다 했는데, 다 하다 is do your best. 다 했다 means did your best. So, 최선을 다했는데, you did your best, but 최선을 다했는데, 최선을 다했는데 너에게 기회가 없었던 거야. 너에게 for you. 너에게 for you. 기회가 없었던 거. 기회 is chance. 기회가 a chance 없었던 거야. There was none. 없었던 거야. There was none. 없었던 거야. So 기회가 없었던 거야 means there was no chance. One more time. 최선을 다했지만 you did your best but 최선을 다했지만 너에게 for you 기회가 없었던 거야. There was no chance. 기회가 없었던 거야. 없다 means there was none. 없다. 없었던 거야. 거야 is a colloquial expression, right? One more time. 최선을 다했지만 너에게 기회가 없었던 거야. Listen again. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. One more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. One more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. So it's 최선을 다했는데, not 최선을 다했지만. So 최선을 다했는데 너에게 기회가 없었던 거야. One more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. One more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. By the way, in the recorded Korean, there is no term for you. Alright? So, 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. For you is missing. Okay? One more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. One more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. Now time to practice speaking. Alright? Here you go. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. Did you make it? Try again. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. One more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. Again. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. Still one more time. 최선을 다했는데 기회가 없었던 거야. Alright. The next sentence is 그러니까 세상을 탓해. One more time. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. Okay, let me analyze it. 그러니까 means so. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. 세상 is the world. 탓해. 탓하다 is blame. 탓해 means an command form. Okay? 그러니까 세상을 탓해. So, blame the world. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. Listen again. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. One more time. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. One more time. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. Now practice speaking, okay? I'll give you a couple of second pause. Alright, here you go. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. One more time. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. One more time. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. Still one more time. 그러니까 세상을 탓해. That's enough for that. The last line, you may do whatever, curse or cry your eyes out, but don't blame yourself. Listen to its Korean counterpart. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 네 탓은 하지 마. One more time. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 네 탓은 하지 마. One more time. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 네 탓은 하지 마. Let me analyze it. A little long, but in Korean it's short. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 든 is either or, okay? 욕을 하든 curse, 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 cry your eyes out, 펑펑 울든 whether you cry or whether you curse or you cry your eyes out. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 do whatever you want to do. 다 해도. do is but. 다 해도. do whatever you want to do. 다 해도. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니를 탓하지는 마. Don't blame yourself. 니를, 니 means you. 니 is an expression that you can use to a person who is much younger and who you are familiar with. Okay? Usually, 너 is for you. But 니 can be used if you are talking to a person who is much younger and you are familiar with. Alright? So, 니를 탓하지는 마. Don't blame yourself. 니를 탓하지는 마. 마 means don't. It's a command form. 니를 탓하지는 마. Don't blame yourself. 니를 탓하지는 마. Let me explain again, okay? 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 curse or cry your eyes out. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 you may do whatever. 다 해도 do means but. You may do whatever but. 다 해도 니를 탓하지는 마. Don't blame yourself. 니를 탓하지는 마. Listen again. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. I'm sorry. the last part is 니 탓은 하지 마. Don't blame yourself. 니 탓은 하지 마. Okay? 니 탓은 하지 마. Which is the same as 니를 탓하지는 마. But here it says 니 탓은 하지 마. Alright? Listen again. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. One more time. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. One more time. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. One more time. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. One more time. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. Now it's time to practice, alright? Here you go. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. Were you able to do it? Try again. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. One more time. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. One more time. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. Again. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. Still one more time. 욕을 하든 펑펑 울든 다 해도 니 탓은 하지 마. Okay, that's enough practice, right? So we did this 5 lines from a drama. Let me emphasize this. It is really important to practice again and again in language learning, including the Korean language, all right? So whenever you have time, you can come back and practice these lines. By the way, practicing these lines like this without looking at the Korean characters, that's the key in this approach. If you keep doing this practice months and months, then there's a high chance that your ability to speak the Korean language will be much better. All right? That's it for episode 42. Thank you and bye.